We are now left with last functionality of order, that is deleting order. If I click on this, I will have, are you sure you want to delete the order? If I click on cancel, it will not be deleted. If I click on OK, in my URL, I will have delete order and I have to include this file. So I will copy, come here inside admin area, I will be creating that file. Directly open PHP and close PHP. Copy this include. Below this, I will check if is set $get, and inside this, I will pass delete order. If this is set, then first access the value copy paste is equal to order ID. Whichever order we have clicked, that order ID I am going to access and I will store inside this variable. Here also, admin cannot delete the order which are in other states apart from delivered. So for that, first I will be writing query check query is equal to connection variable prepare method. I will pass select track status from user orders where order ID is equal to question mark. And this also I'm just going to limit by 1. Below this, bind order ID is integer. With what value I have to bind? I have to bind with order ID. Next, I'm going to execute. Then I will get the result. Below this, I will check for the condition. From this query, I will be getting one result. So here I will check if result num rows, if it is equal to 1, then in that case, I will fetch the data. Row is equal to, from this result, I'm just going to fetch. I will access track status, create the variable track status is equal to, I will convert to lower. Inside this, I will be passing row. From database, I will access track status. Whatever track status value I am having, that I'm just going to access. So below this, I will check for the condition. If my track status, if it is equal to delivered, if it is equal to delivered, then I can delete my order item. So here I will write delete items is equal to connection prepare method, and inside this I will write delete query. Delete from order items where order ID is equal to question mark. Then I will bind and execute. I will copy this variable, paste and paste. After deleting the data from order items, I will also delete data from user orders. So same thing I will copy. Below this I will paste. Here I will pass delete order. Delete from user orders where order ID is equal to, then delete order. Copy paste. I have binded. And for this, if you want, you can create separate variable. But what I will do, I will just wrap inside this if. If this is executed successfully, let me copy this variable and here I will paste. If this query is executed successfully, then I'm just going to echo. I will open view order details.php. Come here, copy this echo and inside this I will paste. I will pass order deleted successfully. And where admin should redirect? Admin should redirect to list orders page. Remove this equal to. Else, if you are having any issues, then again come here, copy and inside this paste error deleting order. Then for this if, I will be adding else part. If it is not equal to delivered, copy this. Here I will paste message I will be passing only delivered orders can be deleted. Okay, if a track status, if it is equal to delivered, then from order items and user orders, we are going to delete the data. But if this condition fails, if this is not equal to delivered, then we are going to throw this message. Then again here, we are having this condition. If you are getting any result, we are checking for this number of rows. But if you are not having any result, Here I will be passing else part. For that, if inside this I will pass order ID not found. If it is equal to 1, that means we are having the order. If that condition fails, that means we are not having any order. So here I will pass order ID not valid. And then finally, I will copy this echo. Here I will paste where admin has to redirect. Admin has to redirect to list orders.php. I will remove this semicolon. Come to view order details page. Previously, if you notice here, we have passed static data for order ID. So what I will do, remove this PHP echo this order ID. Now save this, refresh once. Now I will click on delete order. Order status is pending. Click on OK. I will have only delivered orders can be deleted. OK. Inside list orders, we have not changed this. We will change. But here I will click on this view. Date status is already delivered. Click on delete order. Click on OK. Order deleted successfully. Again, I will be redirected to list orders and I will only have 2 orders. From here also, you can delete. Let me come to list orders. Here you can see we have passed static data. Scroll up. We have already accessed that. Here inside this, remove, write PHP, echo this total products. Now save, refresh once. You can see how many products I am having. That is also shown. And here, why only this amount is shown? Because only this payment status is delivered. So that is the reason only that will be counted. Successfully, we have completed with orders section. We have displayed complete orders. We can edit the orders as well as admin can delete the order. Next lecture, we are going to start with users.